Hello children, we all have heard stories from Ramayana and Mahabharata. We have also seen them on our television screens. We know about one character we all admire, and that character is Abhimanyu. So today's story is about brave Abhimanyu. The Pandavas and the Kauravas were engaged in the battle. Abhimanyu was the young son of Arjuna, a Pandava. The battle was being fought terribly. A massive loss of life was being caused. Thousands of people died. The battle in those days was fought differently from what it is now. The two armies used to face each other in an open ground. On the 13th day, the Kaurava commander played a trick. He led Arjuna to the other side of the battlefield, and then his army adopted the wheel-shaped formation. Only Arjuna knew how to break through it. Seeing the wheel-shaped formation, the Pandavas were terrified, as only Arjuna knew how to face it. They were afraid that they might lose the war in the absence of Arjuna. कौरवों ने ये एक बहुत ही धूर्त ट्रिक अपनाई थी. पहले तो अर्जुन को वो बैटलफील्ड के दूसरी तरफ ले गए, फिर इस तरफ पे उन्होंने व्हील शेप्ड फॉर्मेशन बना दी. अब क्योंकि सिर्फ अर्जुन को पता था कि उसको कैसे भेदना है, अंदर जाना है और एनिमी से लड़ना है, तो पांडवों को थोड़ा डर लगा कि शायद अब वो हार जाएंगे क्योंकि अर्जुन तो उनके साथ है ही नहीं. The Pandavas were considering how to face this new situation. Just then, Abhimanyu said, I know how to break through the wheel-shaped formation, but don't know how to come out of it. Permission was given to Abhimanyu to launch the attack. He led the Pandava army into the enemy formation. Assaulting the army, Abhimanyu began to kill the enemy warriors one by one. His sharp arrows spread out in all directions. When the Kauravas saw that Abhimanyu could not be defeated in a one-to-one fight, they surrounded him from all directions and attacked. His bow was cut. He started fighting with lances. भाले जो होते हैं उनको lances कहते हैं. His chariot was destroyed. So he jumped down his chariot and fought with a sword. His sword was also cut. He had no more weapons with him. At this point, he picked up the wheel of the broken chariot and fought with it. He was being pierced by arrows from all sides. He lost his consciousness. It was at this time that an enemy warrior hit his head with a heavy mace. हमने रामलीला के टाइम में गदा देखी है ना, उसे मेस कहते हैं. It was the end of Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu sacrificed himself, but he saved the day for the Pandavas. तो हमने देखा अभिमन्यु को चक्रव्यूह में जाना तो आता था, उससे बाहर आना नहीं मालूम था, लेकिन फिर भी वो इतना ब्रेव, इतना करेजियस था कि he still went inside that wheel-shaped formation to fight. And he lost his life. He sacrificed. उसने अपनी लाइफ का बलिदान दे दिया ताकि उसके साइड की जो आर्मी है वो ऐसे ही ना हार जाए. इसीलिए लोग अभिमन्यु की बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं क्योंकि वो बहुत ही ब्रेव, बहुत ही करेजियस योद्धा, सोल्जर था. हमें भी वैसा बनना चाहिए है. किसी भी सिचुएशन में अपनी करेज, अपनी हिम्मत से हारना नहीं चाहिए है.